If you are having challenges with the false Windows 11 24H2 automatically update by Microsoft, in today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall the false update by Microsoft. If you click on your start and go onto our settings, go to Windows Update. Now you can see that we are up to date and the false update was paused on this PC. This PC is compatible with Windows 11. So if you see, it says that we are up to date. Now let's uninstall this false update which Microsoft automatically installed onto our PC. Now to uninstall this, it's very easy and simple. It's not just any hard. So if you go to your update history, below here you can see any update that the PC has installed. So if you move down here, you can see we have related settings which is uninstall update. So you just click on uninstall update, and these are the latest versions Microsoft has installed onto our PC. Now if you want to uninstall it, click on this, just click on uninstall, and then we have, as you can see, the pop-up message, this update and its related info will be uninstalled. So you just click on uninstall. Once you just click on this uninstall, after the uninstallation, the PC is going to restart severally. So once it restarts severally, it is going to delete the automatically updated versions which Microsoft will be uninstalling automatically. So that is just how easy and simple it is to uninstall this false Windows 11 update 24H2. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.